Hello, my name is Melissa DiCatano, and my video will be on the sheep dissection today. And I will show you the video, the paper I'll be referring to off screen to make sure that I stay on topic. So let's get right into it. So I will start off with the different atriums and the ventricles. And we'll start off right here, which is the right atrium. Then below that's the right ventricle. Then next to that, right over here, is the left atrium. And then below that's the left ventricle. And now we'll move on to the different valves. So I'll start off with the first one, which is the mitral valve, also known as the bicuspid valve. And this is located between the left atrium and the left ventricle. And this is the different valve that transports the oxygenated blood from the left atrium to the right. Then the next valve we have is the tricuspid valve, which is located between the right atrium and the right ventricle. And then one of the valves on top, roughly in the middle, roughly right there, that is the aortic valve. And this is the most upper valve. And this is the valve that takes the oxygenated blood and transports it to the rest of the body system. And then we'll move on to the pulmonic valve, which is roughly located over here, around the left, above the left atrium, right by all the other valves. And this is it actually comes from the right ventricle, so it's the artery that transports the deoxygenated blood up and gives off the waste product of carbon dioxide and gets oxygen from the lungs, well, up by the lungs to get oxygenated blood. And then I will move on to the different layers of the heart. So the most inner is the endocardium, then the middle is the myocardium, and then the upper is the endocardium. And then I will move on to some different structures of the heart. In the middle of the two ventricles, roughly like right over here, is the ventricular septum. And this is the muscle barrier that separates the two ventricles, which are, they don't cross. And there's the coronum tinnae, which are located in the ventricles, which are the web-like structures that have muscles that prevent backwash of blood to go back into the different chamber. And then there is the coronary arteries, which are located at the top as well, roughly around here. And they bring the oxygenated blood and nutrients to the heart, allowing for the heart to be well nutrited. And that is my video.